I sadly need to say goodbye. But please
But
watch the
yes,
movie Lion. Please, please, please.
sure,
When I see you again, you can tell me, wow! And you can speak to me about the movie, okay?
sure, sure, ma'am.
Hello, hello.
Hi.
Hi. Sorry, Cambly's been giving problems, but I'm happy to see you now.
Yes, yes. I sometimes a moment ago I thought that I think there is a problem, so that's why we
Yes.
got connected.
So I was having problems trying to get onto Cambly. I restarted my computer. My internet is fine. Anyways,
How are you
um,
today?
I am very well. How are you?
I am well.
Good. So I see your name is Indrajit.
Yes, perfect. My name is Imran. And what is your name?
My name is Ashley.
Ashley. Oh, lovely
Good.
name.
Thank you. So I see that you are in the UK. Is that correct?
No, no, actually, I am from India. Why it is showing UK? I don't know.
So on your profile, it says
Oh,
location United Kingdom.
no, no, no. I am from India. I live in Kolkata, the capital of West Bengal.
Are you living in Qatar?
Kolkata.
Calcutta, Calcutta. Oh, Calcutta is big, 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 big. Yes?
Have you been to India before?
No, but I've watched a movie, and this movie is called Lion.
Oh, lion. Okay.
Did you watch this
Oh,
movie?
no, I did not watch.
It is amazing, and they are in Calcutta.
Oh,
It's a
so
real story, and
true story. Okay.
it's a true story. And the man whose story it is, he's very famous now.
Oh,
It's
okay. Then
amazing. Remember, lion, lion, lion. Okay, and
yes, I should watch.
and
I will watch.
good. And tell me, which language are you speaking?
Bengali. My dialect is Bengali.
Okay. I don't know this one, but I know in India you have so many languages.
India has diversity,
Mhm.
and there are multiple languages.
Do you have a language called Urdu?
Urdu.
Urdu.
Yes, yes. I I hear this language and also Hindi because most of the people in India speak Hindi.
Okay, so in this movie Lion, maybe
Hmm.
for 20 minutes they speak Urdu.
Oh,
I
okay.
looked the
So,
translation, yes, the subtitles, but maybe
uh,
you will understand.
okay, then I will definitely watch it. And is it Indian? Is it an Indian movie?
So for like 20 minutes of the movie, they
Hmm.
are in Calcutta. Okay. Then
Okay.
it goes to Australia.
Oh,
Let
okay.
me show you. I'm going to show you a picture. You can
Hmm.
tell me if you've seen it.
Sure. Okay, okay. Oh, I see. Now I will
Amazing.
definitely watch it.
My
Okay.
favorite movie.
Oh,
So
lovely.
I'm quite excited because the first time I speak to somebody from Calcutta, yes,
Oh,
from the movie. Um, so I've been watching the news
hmm.
and they say the coronavirus is very,
Yes.
very bad in India.
Actually, the graph of affected people is increasing by leaps and bounds, and I think this is really sad news.
And what is the situation in Calcutta at the moment? Are you allowed to leave your home?
No, no, there is lockdown.
Okay. So
So
you
there
must
is,
stay
Mhm.
in your house. You stay
Yes,
home.
yes, I have to stay all the day long in my home, and also there is a certain time to open the shops, grocery shops, and medical shops, and all the parlors, cinema halls are shut down, and only medical shops are open during the day, and also grocery items, and uh, home delivery is available.
Okay. So,
And
mhm.
where are you from?
Where am I from?
Yes.
I am from South Africa.
Oh, South Africa. Okay, okay. And what is the situation of Corona there? Everything is
We
fine.
fine. Everything's fine.
Oh, great.
So we had one wave, we had number two, and now we are waiting for number three. Yes?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Here
We
also.
are. This is number three or number two?
The third wave will come soon.
But you are now on number two, yes?
Hmm.
You were one, now you're on number two. And did you get the vaccine?
So, I should take when it is available.
Okay, so you will take the vaccine. You are not
Yes.
afraid of the vaccine?
No,
No?
I will take this.
Okay. And do any of your friends or family have the coronavirus?
Uh, neighboring family. My neighbor actually has two positive, two COVID positive patient.
Okay. And how are they feeling? Are they okay?
Yes, they are okay, but they, I think they will stay for 14 days in the home, and I think they will take vaccine also.
Yes. So now that you can't go out of your home, you
Hmm.
cannot work. Are you a working man or are you studying?
I'm studying. I'm a student of engineering, and my
Ah,
electronics and communication engineering. So
okay.
and
So,
only 1 year left for completing graduation.
great job.
Yes.
So you are having a vacation, yes? A holiday?
Hmm.
Ah, that is lovely. So I look forward to hearing from you again. My next reservation has arrived, so I sadly need to say goodbye. But
Okay,
please
but
watch the
yes,
movie Lion. Please, please, please.
sure,
And when I see you again, you can tell me, wow, and you can speak to me about the movie, okay?
sure, sure, ma'am. Okay.
Okay,
Stay
wonderful to
safe,
meet
stay happy.
you.
Yes, hope to see you
Bye.
soon. Bye.